In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to your Canvas course. Whether you're an instructor looking to organize your course materials or a student trying to manage your resources, knowing how to effectively upload files is a crucial skill. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can follow along with ease. First, let's begin by navigating to your Canvas platform. You want to start by clicking on Projects. This area serves as the central hub for all your course materials and resources within Canvas. By accessing projects, you can effectively manage everything from course documents to multimedia content. It's the first step to getting yourself familiar with the workspace you'll be dealing with. Next, you need to click on Add New. This button is typically found within the Projects section and prompts several options for what you can add. By selecting Add New, you are essentially opening the door to the possibility of creating new educational content, whether it's whole courses, individual modules, or additional resources. The goal here is to set up a space where you can upload and organize your files. When you're in the mood to build the framework for your course material, click on Course. This specifically allows you to start structuring your course in a more formalized way. Once you click here, you're preparing a dedicated area within Canvas where all pertinent files and information will be stored so everything remains orderly and accessible to those with permission to view your course. Now for another layer of customization and control, proceed by clicking Add New again within the course framework you just set up. This action is crucial because it allows you to create individual segments within your overarching course template. Each of these segments can represent different elements of your course, such as separate modules or lessons. Finally, it's time to populate your newly created course with files by selecting Upload Files. This is where you can add all your relevant documents, images, videos, or any other educational materials you need. Simply select the files from your computer or storage device, and they will upload to the course section you designated earlier. Always ensure files are named clearly and consistently so that they're easy to locate not just for you but for anyone accessing the course. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding files to your Canvas course. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your educational content and provide a seamless learning experience for your students. Whether you're dealing with assignments, lecture notes, or supplementary materials, organizing them in Canvas ensures they are just a few clicks away. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to explore other functionalities within Canvas to further enhance your course management. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!